Determine time of flight. 2 ur sine theta by g. The time is what happened is absolute. No, you measure in either trolley frame, ground frame, the time will be same. Okay, let's go for the calculation part. What are the calculations? So it will be so I'll proceed like this. Velocity of the stone with respect to trolley along x-axis, velocity of stone with respect to ground, minus velocity of trolley with respect to ground. Anything directed towards right is positive for us. So velocity of stone with respect to ground along x-axis should be ur cos theta, should be positive. Velocity of stone with respect to ground, we don't know this. That of the trolley. So our final velocity of stone with respect to ground will be ur cos theta minus vt. So range with respect to ground, ux into time of flight. So this will be ur cos theta so 2 ur square sine theta cos theta by g. Range with respect to trolley. Range with respect to trolley. So what is the formula will be? Range with respect to trolley will be ur cos theta into t. What conditions will arise? After some time, where trolley will be here, no? Okay, after some time, the trolley will be it. So it'll undergo displacement. So show the trolley somewhere here. So this is the velocity of trolley. At point B, it will strike. So let me take the point B where it will come and strike it. So this was the point P1 and this was the P1 and this is what? P2. So this was the A, no? Really, it will trouble you a lot. Just do make observation. That's all. Nothing else is there. So this is the range with respect to trolley. This is what the range with respect to ground. Is it justified? My diagrams. Where is that P2? The P2 was here. Now, sir, range with respect to ground, can it be zero? Yes, it depends on the value of Vt. It all depends on value of Vt. If ur cos theta is equal to Vt, then the range with respect to ground will be zero. I'll discuss the cases. So here what you can say, which quantity is greater? ur cos theta greater than Vt. This is the first case I'm discussing. Second case, if ur cos theta is equal to Vt. Tell me what conditions will arise. The point, the point with B will be at the location of P1. The point B will be at the location of P1. The point B will be at the location of say this. So now what is the range with respect to ground? It will be 0. I'll write it all things nearby it. So it will come and strike it. Please do understand the diagrams. This is a point of striking. So what is the range with respect to ground? Will be 0, that one. With respect to trolley, yes, the range is non-zero. With respect to trolley, this will be the range. Now, where is the point of projection? From the ground P1, and where the point of striking with respect to ground will be at P1 only. So therefore, what will happen to range with respect to ground? You have to call that as to be 0. When do that will happen? When you are cos theta equal to Vt. So here we'll put it, range with respect to ground will be 0. Range with respect to trolley, this should be non-zero. If you are cos theta less than Vt, what conditions will arise? The trolley will be on the left side. There's a point A. The point B is somewhere here. And with respect to ground, this was the point P1. No? The point P2 will be here. Now the range, it will become negative. Huh? And the range with respect to trolley is this one. In this, I think definitely it's very clear, no? If you are cos theta less than Vt, what is the range will become negative? What do you mean by that? It will be on. So if you're standing on the ground now, you feel that it's striking the left side of point P2. So I'll change symbol. Let this be P3. This is P2, no? Okay, fine. So you see all the information I'm just dumping in the diagrams rather than mathematical equations. When do this will happen? When you are cos theta less than Vt. Time of flight is same for all the cases. What is the time of flight? 2 UR sin theta by j. No change in time of flight. Only the range is going to change. Okay, the total question. Value of Rg should be different here. In different cases, the value of Rg here will be 0. Rg dash you call it. Here Rg double dash. Because again, you should not think that this Rg only. It all depends on your cos theta. I am giving different value symbols.
Sir, can you explain once again how Rg is 0, sir?
UR cos theta equal to Vt. Look at the mathematics. If UR cos theta equal to Vt, what happened to Rg will be 0. Are you seeing this? Let me highlight it. Are you looking at this? I think this will determine, no?
Sir, can you interpret through diagrams? Sir?
With respect to ground, you feel it's moving vertically up and down. In the trolley frame, it will move in parabolic path. In the ground frame, it will just move vertically up and down because UR sin theta will be up. UR sin theta only will come into picture, no? So in the ground frame, you just feel it is moving up and down, ascending, descending. In the trolley frame, parabolic path. So okay, you want diagram, huh? So here it will appear like this. This is with respect to ground. Path with respect to ground. In case of path with respect to trolley. Okay, fine. I think. What about here, sir? Here, the path with respect to ground will be like this. With respect to trolley, it will be in this direction. Okay, I interpreted very systematically. So here also you can draw it. Show it both in same direction here. I don't have space. Okay, everything I'm showing clearly. The path. So somebody asked path, no. So therefore I'm showing the path also. So that will be in a better position now. One arrow ground, two arrows. It is with respect to trolley.
Okay, sir.
Shall I go for next concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a long trolley. It's a long trolley. So therefore it will be on that. So I think I wrote long trolley. No question of striking ground. So you see where RG I'm measuring. I'm measuring RG on the ground. It doesn't mean that it'll strike the ground. It will strike the ground or it will strike the trolley only. So you can select it. I'll write that information. So stone projected from point A and strike the point B. A and B are points on the trolley. Okay, fine. So all the information. I think this is also very important.
Sir, can you define point P1 and P2?
P1, P2 are on ground, no. It's there, ground, you don't see ground. What is there to define? They're lying on the ground, no. Where trolley is moving, trolley is aeroplane or trolley will fly or will be on ground? Will be on ground, no. Okay, so I'll take the thing. So let me just put a simple case.